Hello, I'm just about to bottle my elderflower cordial, so I'm going to label it up so it doesn't get mistaken for anything else. You'll see over my shoulder some branches of elderflower too. I'm going to arrange those in a vase later on, so do watch right through to the end. Hello there, I'm in my gym kit still. I've just finished a Zoom exercise class. I've come to the end of the garden to pick some beautiful, highly scented elderflowers, and I'm going to make elderflower cordial. I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. I do hope you enjoy the video, and if you make elderflower cordial, perhaps we can swap some recipe notes. The recipe I follow seems to need loads and loads of sugar. You might not have elderflower growing in your garden, but you'll find it on waysides throughout the country during May and June. It's so lovely and fragrant to pick, and preferably if you're making cordial, pick it on a lovely sunny day. For the recipe I'm using, I need a kilo of sugar, so I don't need to weigh this out because this is the 1 kilo bag. That's an awful lot of sugar, and a litre of boiling water. I've got my kettle here ready boiled. Pour that in carefully. So the sugar needs to dissolve in the water. I've got about 15 elderflower heads here. I only want to add the elderflower heads to my pan, so I'm going to chop off the stalks and get rid of this bit. Next, I'll need the zest and lemon juice of 2 lemons. I use a potato peeler to do this. And cut it in half and get juicing. And then when you've done both your lemons, I've got a clean muslin and I put that over the top and let it steep for 24 hours, and then I'll come back and bottle it. I've let my elderflower mix steep for 24 hours and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Having labelled up my container, I now need to transfer it from my preserving pan into my container, making sure I don't get any of the flowers and lemon in there. And the easiest way to do this is through a funnel and use a piece of kitchen towel as filter paper. So I take a piece of kitchen towel, fold it in half diagonally to make a triangle, and then in half again to make another triangle, and then open it out, and that gives you a handy filter paper. So I put that into my funnel, and then with my jug and my muslin to catch the drips, I'm going to go fishing. So here's my jug. The liquid has changed to a soft golden colour. I now need to strain off the flower heads and the slices of lemon too. I'm just listening to the elderflower dripping through my funnel. It's going to take quite a long time to filter down into the container. So with time on my hands, I thought I would arrange the stems I picked into a vase to create a beautiful, simple arrangement. It won't last forever, but it's all about embracing the season and enjoying the elderflower while it's around. What I've got here is a vintage vase from Hornsey Pottery. It was a birthday gift. I'll put the link to my birthday haul video up here so you can have a look. I've seared my stems of elderflower. If you don't know how to do that, check out this video above and I'll show you step by step how to do it. As with any flower arrangement, I need to take off anything, flowers and leaves, which are going to be inside my container. I don't want them sitting in the water and rotting off. You can do this between your thumb and finger, or if you prefer, snip them off with a pair of scissors. Because these are woody stems, I'm going to use my secateurs to recut the stem and add to the vase. I'm doing a cut and plonk. So a dramatic arrangement with just a few stems. It's lovely to be able to bring a little bit of the outdoors to enjoy inside. Be warned though, the blossom falls off really easily and you'll soon have a supply of confetti which might start to annoy you. And if you fancy, pinch off some of the green leaves and really expose the flower heads. I ended up taking most of the leaves off my stems. I thought it would look too bare if I removed them all. I think it looks really, really great, just a really simple arrangement which showcases these very temporary flowers. But nice to have a little bit of summer indoors. And here's my cordial, drip, 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 dripping away. This really is a slow process, just pouring a small amount of the cordial into my funnel and let it drip through. So several hours later, I'm very nearly done. I thought it's probably time for a taste test. So a little bit of cordial in the bottom of my glass. And I use chilled tap water from the fridge. Tastes great. I'd love to know whether you're making elderflower cordial this year. Let me know in the comments below and tell me how much sugar you normally put into your mix. That's all from me for now. I'll see you another time. Cheers.